Hey there, good afternoon. Nancy Klein. I'm here at the Stanislaus County Shelter in Modesto on Tuesday, December 12th. And I'm here today for a very special reason. We recently received notice that there are about 14 pretty special dogs. And what I mean by that is they are some of the shelter's longest residents. In fact, let me kind of show you a little tidbit here. So we got this email here, as you can see, just yesterday with a list of dogs that really need to leave by December 19th. So I'd like to show them to you. I'd like to encourage you to come on down and meet them. They have a week. They need help. And again, they're pretty amazing dogs because they've been here for 2 months and they're still doing awesome. So let's go in and meet them. The first dog I want to show you is Mandy. Mandy is a red and white girl. And look at pretty Mandy. Hi, Mandy. We're then going to move over to kennel number 309. Right over here. And see this baby. So this girl, gray and white, beautiful. Look at that spot on her eye. Very pretty. This is female girl. We're then going to go over and take a look at, oh my goodness! Hi, cutie! Hi! This little female gray mix. Oh, hi, honey. She is in kennel number 311, and her ID number is 489039. We're then going to come over and take a look at this sweetheart. Hi! You have a little heart on your nose. Huh, sweetie? Yeah! So this girl, white, Snow White, just like Christmas. Kennel number 487527 is her ID in kennel 313. And we're going to take a walk through the hallway here. And we're going to take a look at kennel 318. And this is Maddie. Where's Maddie? Maddie, you're so cute and teeny. Hi, Maddie. Oh my gosh. Hi, how are you? So this is little Maddie, female, just about a year and a half old. Her ID number is 488402. We're then going to take a walk over and see Serena. Hi, Serena. What a beautiful smile. Serena is only about 9 months old. She is ID number 486922, and Serena is in kennel number 321. In fact, wow, Serena's adoption fee has been sponsored. How wonderful is that? All right, and then we're going to move over here. Oh, aren't you pretty? Look at that beautiful chest. Yes. So this is a female, black and white, beautiful girl. ID number 488210. She's in kennel number 323. Hi. Oh, precious. We're then going to move over to, oh my Lord, look at you. You a tan baby, huh? Yeah, with the big wiggle butt. So this boy, tan and white, only listed as 9 months old, and you've been here for 2 months. How does that work? Huh? How does that work? Cutie. Let's get a look at the kennel card here. ID number 487579. Kennel number 327. And look at this. You've been sponsored too? You're a lucky doggy. All right, we're going to continue on through. And we are going to take a look at this sweetheart right here. Hi. Oh my gosh, you are precious. Oh, beautiful male, black and white, only about a year and a half old. ID number 488102. And half of your adoption fee has been sponsored. Oh, I like the white tip on your ear. And then as we move down, we got two of you in here? We got two? Hi! Oh my gosh. Tan and white, brindle and white. Beautiful sweethearts. Let's take a look here. In kennel number 339, we have Nala, female, tan, about 10 months. And then we have her friend who's 9 months. ID number 488891. And again, Nala, 488892. Puppies. They're 9 and 10 months old and have been at the shelter for a couple of months. We need to find them a home. All right, and then we have over here, aren't you precious? Look at you. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my gosh, so cute you are. You're kind of little. Yeah. So this female gray and white girl, her ID number is 488806, and she's in kennel 341. You're so cute. You're a little shorty, huh? You a shorty? Yes. All right, so we're going to walk back through. I have 2 more really special dogs to show you. Again, these dogs have been at the shelter the longest. They've been here upwards of 2 months. Several of them are 9 and 10 months old. A few of them are only a year and a half old, and a few of them is only 3 or 4 years old. So, wow, just a great mix to choose from. And again, part of the reason we're showing them today, hi, number 411. This is Val. She's a pretty German Shepherd girl. Yes, I met her in the yard the other day. She is full of energy. She's only 10 months old, and she is smart, and she needs training because she is all over the place. Yeah, but Shepherds need a job, so that's no surprise. So that's Val in kennel 411. And then right next door, we have little Chata. Hi, Chata. Oh, my God. You're teeny. You're a teeny mama. Hi, Chata. And Chata is in kennel number 412. Look at that beautiful girl. So there you have it. This is a great group of 14 that really are looking for their forever home. You know, it's Christmas, guys. We don't want these dogs sitting in here any longer. They've proved to be really good canine citizens because they've lasted this long. But again, we have puppies and young dogs. Come on down. Don't go to your backyard breeders. Don't go to Craigslist. Come to the shelter. In the shelter, they'll be spay or neutered. They will have all their vaccinations and all their shots. And the beautiful thing, all the dogs I just showed you, they have passed their temperament test. Yes, they've been tested with people and with other dogs. So come on down. Stanislaus County Shelter in Modesto. Thank you.